Hi guys, welcome back to the Ultimate Diecast Garage, where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Malaysian exclusive TRACKERZ Day box set from Inno64. But as always, before we jump in, make sure to like and subscribe, and also turn those notifications so you never miss a video, and comment any new models you would like to see reviewed on the channel from any brand of 164. But with that being said, let's jump straight into this Malaysian Day exclusive TRACKERZ Day box set. So starting us off with the outer box, you can see it's very cool. It's really sturdy as well. It's got the 11 clearly and the Evo 3 clearly on the front. It's got the TRACKERZ Racing box set on the bottom, the Inno and My64X collab on the side, obviously the Inno64 logo, also saying on the warnings, and the TRACKERZ exclusive at the top with a box set collection. But again, really cool box, and there is multiple of these. You can see again on the side the Toyota Corolla 11 and the Mitsubishi Evo 3. Even opening the boxes feel nice and premium. They've got two magnetic pieces on the side, as you can see there, which do hold the box closed and also protect the items inside, which you can see the two cars sat in the foam inserts, which did have the foam insert sat on front. But the actual models themselves are very cool, and the packaging is super cool as well. You can see that Inno64X My64 on the back with also the 86. You can see again just standard all the details on the bottom that you would need, obviously licensed product, and a really cool design on the actual outer box itself, very similar to the design on the car for the sleeve, and same for the base as well. The bases are very cool, and these models do look very good still in the boxes, which is really cool. As you know, I do like to fully open and display most of my cars fully open off the base, but with these I do think they actually look a lot better in the packaging, so that is something to keep an eye on, which obviously we will be fully unboxing these models anyway, so you will get to see the model up close, which they did not forget detail on these at all. Although the bases and they do look good in the boxes, they definitely didn't skip out on people who do want to open them, just like myself or other people. You can see the wheels don't really spin, the back ones spin a little bit better than the front, but you can see that design is really vibrant. The red is super vibrant, and the decals are really easy to read. You can see that really intricate design on the roof, which is really cool, like I say, with that nice vibrant red. You can also slightly see they have got a really detailed interior, which we will get onto. But you can see the decals on the side, again, super clear. The placement could be a little bit better in my opinion, and so could the paint on the hood. You can see in the light where there is a little bit of rash sort of effect. Nothing major, it's just the paint application itself. It's not as smooth as the actual model or the white on the model. But nonetheless, you can see overall it's very well done, and like I say, the interior is super well detailed. It's got Bride seats with Bride logos you can clearly read, harnesses, and the full interior is also gutted as well. Obviously it has got the window stickers and also the bright green roll cage as well. You can see underneath obviously screw base as standard and some sort of exhaust system as well, but overall I do really like this model. Now overall I do think they've got this model proportionally very well done. You can see the body lines and the arches, the fitment is super good as well. It's even got that heated rear window feature. Now the rear could have a little bit more detail, like the plate could be a bit more detailed, so could there be a bit more decals on the back, but there is still the interior, which here you can see, obviously you can see it's been completely gutted, even with the transmission housing visible inside. You can see the harnesses and the Bride seats with the Bride logos, like I say, which is really cool on such a small model. Obviously these models 164, they're absolutely tiny. That level of detail honestly blows my mind. Like I mentioned before, the intricacy of the decals, not just on the roof but on the side as well, going across the arches, nice and smooth, and you can see they don't look stretched or out of proportion at all. You can see they fit the car really well. But that now brings us onto the other car of the box set, which is this Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 3 in the TRACKERZ Racing. Obviously coming with the same packaging as well, with the same design. Obviously you've got the Inno64 and the My64 on the back, this time with the Evo 3 and the silhouette for it. Again, really cool, just a little bit different to the standard packaging, obviously still on the sleeve design though, and same for the base as well. Very similar, in fact identical to the Levin base as well. Obviously really cool, and like I say, just a little bit different to the standard plain bases. But the actual model itself is very cool. Again, you can see that JDM logo or the JDM decal on the side, exact same as the Levin, same decals as well on this side. Also the sponsors, obviously on the wing you can see that Mitsubishi logo, nice and clear. And as you saw there, the wheels on the rear do spin, but not so much on the front. Again, the exact same as the Levin. You can see the taillights have got some nice colours and depth in them, and same for the headlights as well, and also the indicators. Again, the interior being nicely detailed, but you will see that a little bit further on. The decals on the top, just like the Levin, also nice and intricate. Zero fading at all on any of these decals or any of the print on these. All super clear and all super vibrant, like I say, especially the red. You can also see the nice vibrant orange wheels, which are the standout on this model. Now, they are a bit of a hit or miss. You either love them or hate them. The people that I have spoken to, again, it's a bit of a 50-50 on them. Me personally, I am actually a huge fan. It gives the model sort of a Halloween sort of feel. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Now, this model isn't perfect by any means. You can see the Mitsubishi logo is a little bit blurry on the front, and the front grille just seems a little bit off in my opinion. But nonetheless, proportionally overall, the model is very good. The paint application, as you can see, absolutely incredible. The spoiler on the rear is also very nicely proportioned, and obviously, like I mentioned, that really detailed interior. Again, the nice gutted interior with the 2 bucket seats and that harness as well. So again, very cool detail overall, although I do think the front could do with a little bit of a touch up on the proportion side. But here you can see both of the models sat next to each other. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Which model is your favourite, or do you prefer both of them? Will you be getting this box set? Do you have this box set? And will you be opening them or keeping them sealed? As obviously, as you can see, they do look very cool in the box, but they also look very cool out of the box, and you do get to see some of that extra detail, like the detailed interiors. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But I am going to wrap it up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you are new. But with that being said, thank you so much, and I'll see you all next time.